Let's see what else we can change about the font. What if we want this first paragraph to be bold? We could wrap the whole paragraph in a strong tag, but that would be kind of an abuse of the strong tag. We're not really trying to say that the whole first paragraph is a highlight. We just think it might look better bolded. So instead, we should use a CSS property, font weight. Let's go up to the relevant CSS rule and say font dash weight colon bold. Ta-da, it's bold. Now, what if we want to make all these lyrics italicized, slanted? Once again, we could wrap them all in an M tag because the browser always defaults to giving M italicized style. But we shouldn't do that because that's kind of an abuse of the M tag. We're not trying to emphasize the whole song. We just think it might look better italicized. So instead, we should use a CSS property, font style. Let's go up to our relevant rule, song lyrics, say font dash style colon italic. Okay, great. Notice that we have a bunch of font related properties in one rule for our lyrics. We've got font family, font size, and font style. If we want, we can actually bundle them up into a single property, font. Just writing font italic 13 pix fantasy. Okay, and we can delete the 3 properties that we used to have and everything looks the same. This is called a shorthand property since, as you can see, it's a lot shorter. But me, I don't like it because I always forget what order to write the properties in, and it's just easier if I write them out one at a time. So I'm going to bring back what I had before. It's up to you if you're a shorthander or a longhander. The important thing is to stay stylish.